How are you? It's your Hyundai guy, Eduardo, here with Kelowna Hyundai. Wanted to show you how to fire up and operate the brand new 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe XL. This is the luxury edition, which comes equipped with navigation. So starting off here on the right of the steering column, this vehicle is equipped with push button start. To start the engine, you have to put your foot on the brake and push the button. That'll fire up the engine. Your seat's going to slide into position. The vehicle's going to perform a system check. And then once everything checks out okay, it's going to just let you know everything's fine. If you don't want the engine to run, but you're sitting in the car waiting for your husband or wife to finish in the grocery store, just want to listen to the radio, one push, ACC, radio controls are going to be on, but not the sunroof or the air conditioning controls. The next touch of the button turns on sunroof, the power tailgate function, but it starts to draw a little bit on the battery, which is why you're going to see this little battery logo right up there. So best practice is just to put your foot on the brake and fire up the vehicle. Your vehicle comes equipped with memory seats, so that's his and her seats. The toggle controls are down here. Once you've set the seat to your favorite position, simply press set and then the one button, and it's going to remember. So now if I just adjust my button, it says setting 1 saved. Then I can set and press the 2 button, and driver settings 2 are saved. So you'll notice when I press 1, the seat's going to move. When I press 2, the seat will move to position 2, okay? On the front of the wheel, you've got your Bluetooth, so you can answer phone calls and hang up phone calls. I'll do another video and a link for how to pair up the Bluetooth system. It's super, super easy to use. Steering wheel audio controls are right here. Volume up, volume down. You can mute the stereo. The mode button simply changes the music mode, and you can seek up or seek down with tracks. Over here is the cruise control. So cruise, cancel. You can set by clicking down. Resume after you hit the brakes, lower the speed or raise the speed as you drive. Down here, this button is the Pages feature. Pages allows you to cycle through the different display modes up here. Okay, so that's Pages. Driving assist features can be accessed through here, so doors, different control modes there, different functionalities. If you have any questions, please call me and I'll be sure to go over every single feature here on the Pages screen. Over here on the right of the vehicle is the air controls. So mode actually changes where the air is coming from. So as I press mode, you're going to see that different functions are going to happen. Fan is accomplished just with this dial here. The temperature is his and hers, so you've got dual climate zones. That's the divorce preventer right here, you guys. One passenger can have their side roasting hot, driver can have their side ice cold. Everybody's happy. Front defrost for those super, super cold days. Rear defrost as well for those super cold days. And that's the climate control buttons. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to call or email me. This is the nav chip for your navigation. Just put the nav chip inside. Once I put nav chip inside the vehicle, it only has to be put in the one time, guys. It's an $800 chip card, so please don't lose it. Your navigation is going to start to work here in a quick minute, and it's just going to download itself. So we'll give that a little bit of time. Up above the nav screen is the CD player. So yes, this vehicle is equipped with the CD player. And then very important right here is your four-way flashers. So there's the nav screen about to kick in. Down here, you've got dual charge ports. You've got a USB plug and auxiliary cord for connecting devices. Over here is your heated seats. So you've got 3 ranges of heat. Parking sensors can be turned off if you're pulling in to hitch up to a boat or whatnot. Your shifter, a lot of people ask me what shift lock release is all about. It's not a driver used function. It is for mechanics. If you lose the keys and the vehicle needs to be towed onto a dolly or a flat deck, this will allow the mechanic to pop that open and shift the shifter into neutral without having to turn on the vehicle in the event that you've lost the keys. All right, my navigation is fired up. So I'm going to show you guys the easiest, simplest way to use navigation is actually using this little voice recognition button right here.
Please say a command.
Find address in British Columbia.
Please say the address in British Columbia.
3260 Highway 97 North, Kelowna.
I found a few results that sound like that. Please say the line number, or say none of them to re-enter the address.
1.
Would you like to set this address as the destination?
Yes.
The point is set as the destination.
Super easy to use. You can edit the route options. You can change the route. You can add a waypoint on the fly, so you can go to places or points of interest. So in my case, I need to go get some gasoline, so I'm going to put automotive gas station, and let's find the closest SO, because that's where we gas up. So I'm going to add the waypoint. It even gives me the phone number, so I'm able to call the gas station and just make sure that they've got my preferred octane of fuel. All right, so now I'm just going to press start guidance. It's going to take me to the gas station and then to the dealership. Again, this is Eduardo, your Hyundai Pro, here at Kelowna Hyundai. If you have any questions with regards to the vehicle, please call or email me. I'm going to do a subsequent video that's going to go over a couple of other features here on the 2018 Santa Fe XL Luxury Edition. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as it does allow me to benefit you guys with more videos down the line. Have an awesome day, Hyundai fans.